Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to turn on the dark mode on your Google Keep. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To turn on the dark mode on Google Keep, you just want to click on the three dots here and go to the setting option here. You can see the theme. So here there is three options that are light, dark and system default. So these are the three options. You can change to dark theme, so it will be permanently on dark mode, so everything will be in darker. For an example, if you are typing a note or taking a keynotes or key points, it will be in darker, so everything will be changed to darker theme. And the theme has a third option, system default. So this options brings you, if your system was in darker mode, it will choose as darker. If system is in a lighter mode, it will choose as lighter. So it will be switched between the darker and lighter mode according to your Android mobile phone use, or if you are using iPhone, it's iPhone setting use. So you can also permanently choose as lighter theme. So there's have an extra option to display the link provision, and also for some if an extra notes option. Friends, if you find this Google tips useful, like this video, share this video with your friends, and if you want more content about Google, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.